Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Stace and I'm so glad that you are hanging out with me for a little bit today. So I'm sure you guys have already seen all of this super cute Halloween leather that was in the Dollar Tree this season. I'm going to use some of this Halloween leather, faux leather, and make a little coin purse using this die. This is one of those big steel rule dies, and I'll try to find a link for this just in case you're interested. But this is the template for the purse. So you'll have this piece for your back piece, and this piece goes on the front, and then these two pieces go on the side. I will be sewing my purse today, but you can probably achieve the same look using some fabric tack. So let's get started. Let's see which one of these I would like to use. It will take one full sheet to make one of these. So let's see. I have two of these, so I'm going to use this one. Since this leather is directional, I'm going to make sure I put it the way I want it. When this cuts out, I want the back of the purse to be in the correct orientation. Now, the flap, when I flap it over, will be upside down, but that's okay. I'm going to put like a bow or something on the front above the snap anyway. And then this little pocket part at the front, I definitely want it to be the correct direction as well. Okay, so let's take it to the die cutting machine. Okay, so I have my big shot right here. I'm going to use my bottom plate. I have my big die, my fabric, and then the top plate. So I've already cut my leather. This part here measures about 3 3/4 inches with a little bit left over. So I am just going to put this right here at the bottom. Take my top plate. Cover that up. Okay, and just roll that through. It should be super, super easy to do. And here is the top part. So that's what I have left here. And so as you can see, that will already fit like that. Super cute. And then I need to cut out the two little loops. We're going to fold that loop over and sandwich it in between our two pieces, leaving a little bit out. The more you leave out, the smaller the loop will be. And then pin into place. Okay, now I just want to sew all along here. Okay, I only decided to use one of the loops because I'm going to make this a keychain instead of putting a chain handle on it this time. So you guys do a better job than I did sewing. I did backstitch on the start and the finish of the thread. And I also did backstitch over the loop. Now, my sewing machine is in desperate need of repair. I think maybe the needle is actually bent too. So I had to rethread it a few times just for this little stitch. Okay, now we want to flip this inside out. If you notice that your corners don't look right after you flip it inside out, then you can also nip the corners just a little bit to help in rounding. You also may need a little tool to make sure that you flip it inside out really good. And for that, I'm just going to use this little crochet needle. Okay, that's what we have so far, and I think that it looks pretty good. So this is what I was talking about. The direction is correct when you flip it on the back, and the direction is correct from the front. But when you flip the flap over, then it's going to be upside down right here. But we're going to embellish the top of this anyway, so it won't really matter. Now what we want to do is put a little snap in. So let me grab my snaps. Okay, so these are my snaps, and I think I'll actually use black because this purple isn't dark enough. Oh no, maybe this like gold color. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to need 2 of these little pieces that look like a nail, and then a female part and a male part. I put the male part that sticks out a bit on the top, and then the other one will go on the bottom. So first of all, I'm going to use this little poking tool to see where I want the snaps. Okay, so I have a hole in the top. And I can feel the hole at the bottom. Now let me just close this up real quick and just double check. Okay, that looks good to me. So this piece goes like that. This other piece goes on the inside. This is the male part of the snap. And the female part of the snap. I have my little setter. Okay, so I pushed that in. And you see this one is still sticking out a bit. I want to push that down, so I'm going to take my setter. Push that down. Okay, so really cute. That is our little coin purse. I think that turned out really cute. So now let me make a bow or something, and I'm just going to hot glue it onto the front. It is so cute, and I really hope that Dollar Tree puts out a faux leather for Christmas. I think that that would be so cute too. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video.